Hello, I am Venise BRYAN. On behalf of the research team, I will be presenting on exploring the successful transition of licensed practical nurses or registered practical nurses to registered nurses, a pilot study utility. Background. In Canada, the role of a licensed practical nurse or registered practical nurse, LPN or RPN, differs significantly from that of a registered nurse, RN, in terms of education and scope of practice. LPNs or RPNs are diploma-prepared nurses, while RNs are baccalaureate-prepared nurses. RNs complete an undergraduate degree, which equips them with advanced clinical reasoning and leadership skills. LPNs or RPNs to RN programs are different from traditional RN programs because students come with established nursing experience. While this experience provides a foundation for learning, it also presents challenges in assessing their shift from the LPN or RPN role to the RN role, given their existing autonomy in practice. There is a limited understanding of how nursing students transition successfully and a lack of comprehensive research identifying the specific factors that contribute to a successful transition. Hence, our study that addresses the complex transition LPNs or RPNs undergo to become RNs, focusing on the markers of successful role transitions during the final preceptorship phase of their nursing education. This study also emphasizes the importance of pilot testing in research. Pilot studies allow researchers to refine their methodologies, ensuring that the main study is both feasible and effective. The pilot served as a proof of concept for the research design, providing insights and refinement for a larger subsequent study. The study employed a qualitative descriptive design. A two-phase pilot approach was particularly effective in testing and refining the research methods before launching the main study. In the first phase, an anonymous electronic survey was administered to 10 transitioning students and 12 preceptors. This allowed us to gather a broader range of perspectives on the transition experience. In the second phase, semi-structured virtual interviews were conducted with a smaller subset of participants, 3 students and 1 preceptor. This method provided a deeper understanding into the themes identified during the survey phase. During the entirety of the data collection phase, recruitment was continuously evaluated and modified to enhance data collection and eventual results. Advanced tools like in vivo and Microsoft Visio were used for data analysis. In vivo facilitated the organization and coding of qualitative data, while Visio allowed for the creation of visual representation of emerging themes. This combination of tools enhanced this rigor and clarity of the analysis. Our findings. Lessons learned from the pilot study were documented in a reflective journal and enabled improvements related to recruitment methods, which inform more targeted outreach strategies in the main study. The pilot helped to identify and address potential barriers to participation, ensuring a more diverse and representative sample. For the main study, for example, changes were made to the work plan and recruitment strategies, such as using more inviting and relational language in participant communication, offering incentives and providing clear information on the number of participants needed. The study also identified several key markers of successful transition, including changes in thinking and behavior, as students adapted to the expectation of the RN role, formation of new professional relationships, and the development of enhanced skills and competencies. The pilot study also enabled the development of a codebook for the thematic analysis. This codebook served as a foundation for the main study, ensuring consistency and reliability in data analysis. The study highlights the critical role of pilot testing in qualitative research related to addressing challenges and providing a proof of concept for the research design before conducting a larger subsequent study. Addressing challenges during the pilot phase enabled refinement of various aspects of the study, which will help strengthen the overall study design and enhance the validity of our findings. Ultimately, the research contributes to the broader goal of improving nursing education and ensuring that all nurses, regardless of their entry pathway, are equipped to provide high-quality patient care. These are our references. Thank you very much for your attention.